Hello there guys, welcome to day 4 of the Unreal Engine 4 Developer Game in a Week challenge. Today I was at work this morning, basically between as soon as I got up and about midday, and this afternoon's been pretty slow. I've had other stuff that I've been having to do, so today has been another short day. Tomorrow I'm out between 5 AM and probably 10-11 PM. So tomorrow there's not going to be a video tomorrow on the Thursday, but what I'm hoping that'll do is if I get another day's work between now and the weekend, that'll put me 2 days behind, which should put me in line with the Unity developers schedule. So his game is due to be out on the Monday, which means that if I can delay myself another day, maybe I'll just have a day off playing games or something, then I'll actually have had a week's build time, and my game will be ready to release around the same time as his. So maybe that could work out that way. Anyway, I'll show you what I've got for today. Today when I had time, basically I got the intro cinematic done, I got the audio, and then the subtitles, which was a pain. In fact, I will quickly show you my subtitles. I am almost certain I've done this the wrong way. I'm sure that this could be more effective, but let me go and find this thing. So in here, so that's how I've done my subtitles. Let's just get rid of that bit. Basically, at the start, every single one of these execution pens is fired off, and then at the corresponding time, the text is displayed on the screen, which is absolutely ludicrous. It took me ages, but I couldn't really think of another way to do it. So that's the way I went about doing that. I've been working on putting into the game the enemy, or not the enemy, but Spooky Lady. I come down here, I've got a folder called Spooky, and I went into Mixamo, created a character, got an idle animation for it, and basically we ended up with this thing. In fact, it's probably better if I show you that in one of the corridors. So I'll pop into a house. I think this is the house with doors. So which is that? Oh, there she is. This is a good house to demonstrate, because I can demonstrate the doors while I'm in here. Just drop this camera speed real quick. Okay, let's see. Let's put her at the end of a corridor. Spin her around like so. And if I load game, where am I? Okay, so I'll be quiet a minute. You should be able to hear the whispers. That's coming from the player. That's coming from the enemy over there. She doesn't do anything at the minute. She just kind of sits there. But she will do stuff. Give me time. So quickly remove that, and then I can show you the doors real quick, which is basically, it's a door. You press E, you can open it. This one is locked, and there's whispers coming from the other side of it, so spooky. Press E on a locked door, we get the sound effect of a oops, sorry about that, of a locked door coming through. However, on these, they creak open, and when we close them, they creak shut and slam. No, not slam. You get the idea. So there's a simple door from there. Now the door takes about 3 seconds to open, so I'm hoping that I can use that to build some kind of suspense. The time that it takes to open a door. So I've shown you the character, shown you the doors. What other little bits have I done today? Oh, the cinematic and building the world. Now I'm still having quite a bit of an issue building lighting on this. I've dropped the light mass, I've dropped the light map resolution of all of the foliage down to 4, which I believe is the lowest I can get it to go. But I'm just having absolutely no luck whatsoever being able to build this lighting. The FPS here, by the way, just ignore this. I've set the engine settings to preview the highest quality, ready for the cinematic. So it's going to run at about 30 FPS here, but when you're making a game, the engine uses about 4 times as much as playing the game actually would be. So if I'm getting 30 FPS on this thing, if I was to then export this and play this in the game, I'd probably be on about 120. Just to put that kind of thing in perspective. So I'll quickly hop into the game. I'll show you the audio. Hopefully this thing is recording audio. What I'm going to do is just scoot that off there. Okay, play real quick over here. I just need to double check really and see whether this thing down here lights up. Just give me a moment.
Coin.
Yeah, okay, so we're getting that, that's cool. So the audio's coming through. So I'll play the cinematic and let you watch and listen to that.
Coin. Huh. Well, it used to be Springcreek. That's what they used to call this place. That was when there was someone here to call it that. Gone. Overnight, all gone. Everyone they just up and left. No warning, no trace, no nothing. Gone. That's why y'all are here, Annie. Find out why, find out where, find out anything you can. Annie, good luck.
Okay, so just real quick there, that was the cinematic intro. I made that once, messed up, and ended up having to redo that. So sadly, I haven't got much to show you much else to show you today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be going to bed now. It's 10 and I'm pretty tired today, so I'm going to go to bed early because I've got to work really early tomorrow morning. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably do a bit of research in bed about getting this light built, because I've not done a full build of lighting pretty much since I started building this thing, and it's bad. I really need to get things built. So I'll go and have a look into that. Basically, there will be a way to do it. I'm just not finding it. If you guys know of any ways that I can build lighting, what basically happens is I get an error saying it's run out of memory. Understand? Well, I mean, it's got 8 gigs, which is what Unreal recommend, or minimum specs even. But yeah, I just run out of memory. So what I'll do is I'll leave this video here. Like I said, there won't be one tomorrow. I'll be back on track on, what day is after that? Thursday. I don't think I've got anything planned for Thursday. So Thursday we're back on track with this, definitely. I'm sorry that I haven't been able to have this as a consecutive week, full consecutive week with the challenge, but life takes precedence over making games, unfortunately. So I will leave that there then, and just tweak this real quick. Whatever. I will see you guys in the next video. Look forward to seeing you again on Thursday. Thank you. See ya. Wow, that was awkward. Yeah, see ya.